Today's video is just going to be a quick Ace Beaute haul video. I picked up a couple palettes when they were having a recent sale. So the first one is actually what I have on my eyes right now. I love this palette. I can't get enough of it. It is the Aura palette. And here's what the inside of this looks like. And I love these Ace Beaute palettes. You guys pick a couple up if you don't have any, and I promise you, you won't be able to stop at one or two. The next palette that I picked up, some of these are still in the packaging, and if you know me, you know I'm horrible at getting things out of packaging, so this might take me a second. Here we go. This is the Envy palette, and it actually came in a bundle with the Aura palette, and this is what the inside of the Envy palette looks like. Just your gorgeous blue-green tones. I just love this. This reminds me of their Oceanic palette, which I have as well, and I also love. So, yeah, just another gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Their formula is phenomenal, and I've said this a million times. It's the only eyeshadow I found that has no fallout. I don't get it. I don't know what sorcery, what magic they use, but it is amazing. The next palette is the Blossom Passion palette. And also, you guys, their, can you see this okay? Is it better if I do it like this? Their packaging is just so beautiful. I mean, they definitely go the extra mile. And here's the inside of that Blossom Passion palette. And then the last palette that I picked up, which also the Blossom palette and this Classical Paradise palette also came in a little bundle. And this is the Classical Paradise palette. Just look at that packaging. Just how beautiful is that? The artwork, oh, it gets me. And here's the inside of that palette, the Classical Paradise. And this one is like a really beautiful grungy palette that would be perfect for fall, but I mean, you can wear it anytime. So you guys will be seeing videos with these palettes coming up soon on my channel. And I just kind of wanted to show you what I picked up quickly. Because I love the Ace Beaute palettes. They are stunning. So definitely, if you guys can, go check them out. I believe they're having a sale right now, and it's Christmas Day. So hopefully, you know, things will still be going on, or just grab an influencer's discount code. I'm not cool enough to have any discount codes, but you guys, there are plenty of influencers out there that have them. So that is it for today. Thank y'all so much. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if there's a palette you want to see me do a review on. And just thank y'all again so much. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in the next one.